Hi guys, mayong gabi. Di ami karon sa Bighorn Dam, Crownland Camping. Yes. Di ang taga Barangay Udok oh. Manihapon ta ninyo. Yes.
Papaitan niyo.
Uni pagkaon.
Magkaon.
Mangaon, mangantayon. Manganta taon niya. Yes. Manihapon.
Dami. Dami kaayo.
Ano?
Morning, Marco. Good morning. Yes. Magkuan ko mamahaw mi karon so I'm gonna make fire. Yeah. This girl's on fire. Oh. Wala na pakialam. Ikapoy. Pagod sila. Very tired. Lots of activity here yesterday. Okay, we'll see you later. Alligator, baboon.
Yeah, the water bag is only for you guys. Don't give you a water bag.
Okay.
Bumibili na lang ako ng magandang ganito. Nice. Remembrance to remember. Ang mayor sa Udok.
Ella,
Good morning guys. We are on top of the mountain now. Yeah. And I think that is Abraham Lake over there. Woohoo! Marco, this is Abraham Lake, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and this is called Bighorn Dam.
everybody!
Yeah, we're on top of the world looking down on creation, and the only explanation I can find. Yes, our campsite is over there. I don't know. Where is our campsite? Oh my god, that's a long walk. Why are you screaming here?
Because we can.
Yes. It's beautiful view. Right, Naka? Careful there. We're going back to our campsite. Ooh. Madaming. We are in the bare backyard. Right, Marco?
Yeah.
Wow, ang layo ng narating namin. Doon kami sa pinakadulo. Yes. Very good campsite. Crownland camping location.
Mountain. The longest person to climb up a mountain is probably you.
Over there. Ang Barangay Udok. Taga Barangay Udok. Nagtapok ni diha. Yes. So, someone wants to meet you.
Kayo susundan na, Ana, ha?
Someone wants to meet you.
No way. Girl.
Yeah. Ang dami, buong barangay.
Dami nga dito.
Buong barangay nandito. Ang
Nagulat nga
saya.
kami, akala ko. Could be nice to have a little rain, but just for a short time. At least the kids will experience what's the difference.
Picturean kita, Yani. Tanggalin mo yan, picturean kita. Dad, look at that. So safe. Yeah, it's so safe. How? It's so safe. Dali sila mag-ingat. It's so safe. I-25.
Oh, thank you.
I got two, counting the free one.
Keep doing it. Oh.
B14.
Oh, I don't have one. I don't like that number.
14 daw, love.
Bingo! I don't have that number.
Ano yung ay? Naka-bingo na. Ano yung last number?
I need this.
Hindi, yung last number daw.
Also 13, because diagonal.
Where are the kids, Mako?
Not watching the movie.
No videos or vlogs. Now.
Hi guys, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Say hello again. Good morning.
I miss Abby.
Good morning. So we're still in our campground. Charot, our campground.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Let's go on a ride. Come on, let's go.
Where are we going?
We're going to go find our crew.
Okay.
We lost them. Come on, let's go.
Yes.
We have
Aliku.
binoculars
We're
and
going
stuff.
for a nature walk. Yes, and look at that, guys. Yes, so
Yeah, this is
beautiful.
Rocky Mountain.
Yes, awesome. Ang ganda. Ito yung makikita mo na view every morning, 'di ba? Ah. That's fun. Nagkakayaking sila. Ah, ang ganda. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Yes. I love the view here. Morning. I don't know, nasaan na yung mga kasama namin. Oh, they're right there. Okay. Ayan sila. Oh. Saan ako dadaan? Ah, okay dito. Yes! Oops.
I think they want us to swim. The water is not that cold.
It's cold.